Chattanooga, Valley View, and Weston. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Here we go, guys.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Orange County in north-central Texas, Denton
Getting
County
out of
in
it. So much
central
stuff.
Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, western Collin County in north-central Texas until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:03 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Briar, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
New one, guys.
Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Grapevine, Keller, The Colony, Southlake, Corinth, Highland Village, Hazel, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Eagle Mountain, Lake Louisville, and Briar. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 471. Interstate 35W between mile markers 63 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 448 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Here we go.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 23 remains in effect until 2 a.m. Standard Time Tuesday for the following counties in Texas: Collin, Dallas, Denton, and Tarrant. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern Denton, northwestern Collin, southeastern Cook, and southwestern Grayson counties. At 8:49 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ray Roberts Park Island du Bois, or 8 miles east of Sanger, moving east at 55 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Denton, Sherman, Sanger, Salina, Highland Point,